If watching videos online paid a lot of money, we would all be financially independent in this video. I will share apps that pay real money for watching videos online, but what you'll earn is relative if I can earn $50 to $500 every month, monetizing a hobby like watching videos, and I had the time to do it for me, it would be all worth it. But you have to make that decision on your own for yourself. The thing is, I'm gonna watch videos anyway. So why not just make a few extra dollars doing so? Here are 5 free, easy-to-use apps. Not websites, which means that you can actually watch these videos on your phone and earn real money for doing exactly that. Now, the first app that's on our list is Modern, or the Current app, and this app actually allows you to earn money by listening to music completing surveys, and yes, of course by watching videos. The payment method is via PayPal or gift cards for popular brands, and with you investing minimal effort or minimal time. Your earning potential is anywhere from $40 to as much as $100 per month, not a lot. Simply download the respective app depending on which device you use, Apple or Android. Complete the sign-up process when you download the app and get started watching videos and making money. Let's move on to the second option that's on our list, and it is Toca, and this is an app again that's going to give you an opportunity to earn money from watching videos. Toca is primarily designed to assist in training AI, but also offers money-making opportunities for watching videos and completing the related tasks associated with creating videos. And this one is really fun, so I encourage you to try it out. The type of videos that you'll watch or complete tasks to create are short clips. This platform will pay via PayPal, Skrill, and there are a few more options, and their income earning potential, they say, is about $20 to $50 per month for the casual watcher. However, I've seen many people comment online that they were able to earn upwards of $200 to $300 in a month when they watch it. To get started, just visit their website to register an account. The third one on our list is TimeBucks, and this is one that I have spoken about. TimeBucks is a get paid to, or a GPT platform, that offers a variety of tasks. You'll be able to watch ads, promotional videos, and many more video types, and they pay via Bitcoin, Skrill, ERTM, Payoneer, and direct bank transfers. Your earning potential with TimeBucks is anywhere from $30 to $300 per month watching videos. How much of that you earn will depend on how seriously you approach this hustle, and to get started, just visit the TimeBucks website and register with your email, and you'll see the options pop up where you can start watching videos and making money. Now, a few of these platforms only work in specific geographic regions, but the vast majority will work across the globe. Now, fourth app on our list is Paid. Work is the next platform on our list, and Paid Work offers various tasks, including video watching as a way to make some extra money on the side. You will watch mostly ads and promotional clips, and your payment method is PayPal, or you can get paid via gift cards. Watching casually, you can earn about $50 per month, but if you decide to invest the kind of time into this to make it a lucrative side hustle, there are claims out there for as much as $500 per month. Now, Fifth App Game is a casual gaming platform where you can earn money watching game trailers and ads, and you'll get paid via direct bank transfer, and also they use PayPal as a payment method. The claim is that a casual video watcher will earn anywhere from $20 to about $60 per month. And remember, it doesn't sound like a lot, but if you're already watching videos, why not monetize it, and at least you'll get your gym fee, or you'll pay a bill or get some drinks. It's up to you to figure out how you're going to use these apps, watch videos, and monetize your screen time, that said. Thank you for watching. If you learned anything new, I would really appreciate it. If you would like the video, and if you are not yet a part of our family, please go ahead and subscribe. See you, and take care.